They try to tell us it was a pipe dream. They whisper that the future of truly cinematic video was reserved only for those with pockets deep enough for the industry's established heavy hitters, locked away behind prohibitive price tags. They were fundamentally mistaken. What you are witnessing right now isn't merely a new piece of hardware. The Nikon ZR6K, is nothing less than the single greatest declaration of war in the history of digital filmmaking. For the very first time, the unparalleled power of Hollywood-grade image creation is no longer an exclusive luxury for the top 1%. It is here, now, made completely accessible to the dedicated creator, the independent filmmaker, and the serious documentarian who demands the best. If you have any thoughts on what this level of accessibility means for the industry, leave a comment below and let me know. Over the next half hour, we are going to meticulously dissect every last specification, every visionary engineering choice, and every paradigm-shifting feature that elevates the ZR to the status of the single most important camera release of the decade. We're not dealing in hypotheticals or whispers anymore. This is the new, undeniable reality. If you are a shooter, an editor, a director, or simply someone who grasps that the future of content is anchored in uncompromised visual quality, then what you are about to see and hear will radically reshape your entire 2025 creative roadmap. Do not, under any circumstance, click away. Your next major project, your next big client, and the next definitive level of your career are entirely dependent on you fully understanding this powerhouse of machine, the 6K truth and the secret weapon. Let's begin with a single number that fundamentally alters the landscape, 6K. But the resolution itself is only half the story. It's the technology driving it that truly matters. Nikon didn't just slap a high-resolution sensor into a mirrorless shell and call it revolutionary. They achieved something utterly unprecedented. They integrated the legendary red codec technology directly into the very core of the ZR. This is the secret weapon, the industry shakeup that absolutely no one saw coming. The Z-mount advantage. Of course, even the most advanced sensor is only as good as the glass you position in front of it, and this is where the Nikon Z-mount becomes an overwhelming, unstoppable advantage. Boasting the widest mount diameter and the shortest flange distance of any full-frame system available, this engineering marvel permits lens designs that are optically superior, with minimal light falloff and truly incredible light-gathering capability. Nikon Z-mount lens lineup is both mature and formidable, offering a full spectrum of glass to meet every budget and vision. From the razor-sharp f/1.8 line primes that deliver cinematic quality at a fractional cost, all the way to the revolutionary f/0.95 Noct, you have everything you need. If you're chasing that ephemeral cinematic look, the Z-mount delivers. If you require a fast, lightweight zoom for demanding documentary work, it delivers. The ZR immediately leverages a diverse, highly professional, and rapidly expanding ecosystem. Commitment to professional workflow. Let's talk about a small detail that speaks volumes. The full-size HDMI port. This seemingly minor inclusion is a massive commitment to the professional filmmaker. No more tiny, fragile micro HDMI connections prone to failing mid-shoot. The ZR features a full-size HDMI, guaranteeing secure, completely reliable connection to your external monitors and recorders. This is clearly a camera built by people who have actually worked on a film set. The most beautiful image in the world is useless if the post-production workflow is a total nightmare. Nikon and Red haven't just given you a file. They've given you a seamless post-production path built on the twin pillars of RAW. The ZR is expected to offer both NRAW, Nikon's own proprietary RAW codec, and full support for Apple ProRes RAW recording. This means whether you are a Mac-based editor running Final Cut Pro or Premiere Pro, or a PC user working within DaVinci Resolve, your footage is instantly recognizable, editable, and gradable without the frustration of complicated transcoding. You effectively bypass hours of frustrating pipeline work. This is the very definition of efficiency. The Z Cinema ecosystem. The ZR is not a one-off product. It is the crucial entry point to Nikon's new Z Cinema series. This move signals the company is deeply serious about the long game. You can anticipate shared color science, matching metadata, and a consistent user interface across this entire new line of professional video tools. This is a complete system you can confidently invest in, knowing the workflow will smoothly scale as your career and projects do. They've also drastically upgraded the electronic viewfinder, EVF, giving it a massive resolution bump to a potential 5.76 million dots and an exceptionally high refresh rate. Why does this detail matter? Because a clean, perfectly accurate EVF is the crucial difference between nailing your focus and completely blowing a critical shot. You can absolutely trust what you see. You can rely implicitly on the focus peaking and the exposure tools. Why the ZR wins? Competitive landscape. We must confront the elephant in the room. Sony, Canon, and Panasonic all offer amazing cameras. But the Nikon ZR6K, at its projected price point and with its groundbreaking feature set, accomplishes something that none of them currently do. It forces the entire competition to play catch-up on both value and workflow. When you choose the ZR, you are making a deliberate, professional choice. You choose uncut power, 6K RAW recording that doesn't demand an expensive, cumbersome external recorder. You choose internal recording to CF Express Type B, giving you a powerful, self-contained cinema rig. You choose seamless integration, a workflow that speaks the technical language of Hollywood, but is engineered for the speed and agility of the independent creator. You choose reliability, a camera designed to manage the thermal demands of high-resolution, high-frame rate shooting, ensuring you never, ever miss a take due to an overheating warning. This is the ultimate hybrid camera, perfectly balanced as a professional cinema tool and a versatile, powerhouse mirrorless camera. It is a singular tool that allows you to walk on any set, large or small, and know with absolute certainty that your footage is of the highest, uncompromised quality. Autofocus and stabilization, capturing motion flawlessly. So, we've established that the Nikon ZR6K delivers an image quality that completely redefines cinema accessibility. But a beautiful image is nothing without the stability and focus required to capture motion flawlessly. This is the point where the ZR ceases to be just a sensor in a box and transforms into a genuine creative partner. Forget the days of Nikon's autofocus being a step behind. The ZR is rumored to integrate the next-generation AF system, inheriting the sophisticated subject detection and 3D tracking capabilities from Nikon's flagship Z8 and Z9 models. This isn't just fast, this is truly prescient. The system doesn't just see a face, it recognizes people, animals, and vehicles, locking onto the most critical point, often the eye, and sticking like glue. Imagine filming an interview in a crowded, chaotic street or a fast-paced documentary sequence. The ZR eliminates focus hunting, giving you the confidence to shoot wide open at f/1.8 or even f/1.2, where your depth of field is razor thin, and still nail the shot every single time. With nearly 100% frame coverage, you can place your subject anywhere in the frame and maintain perfect focus. And critically for filmmakers, the low-light performance is expected to drop to an incredible -10 electron volts. That is genuine moonlight sensitivity. If you can see it, the ZR can focus on it. This is the difference between a usable scene and a wasted shoot. Shaky footage immediately screams amateur. The ZR's embodied image stabilization, IBIS, is expected to offer up to a staggering 7 or even 8 stops of compensation. This is handheld cinema. You can walk, you can run and gun, and the footage will look like it was shot on a lightweight gimbal. It liberates you from the weight and complexity of heavy rigging, allowing you to use longer focal length lenses handheld while still achieving clean, professional, jitter-free results. The Synchro VR advantage means that when paired with Nikon's vibration reductions in lenses, the system works in perfect harmony, combining the lens and body stabilization to create a platform that is nearly impossible to shake. For independent shooters who can't afford a dedicated crew or bulky Steadicam, the ZR is poised to be the most stable full-frame camera ever made. Storage and data integrity. The commitment to a professional workflow naturally extends to how the camera manages its massive data load. Shooting 6K RAW is a deeply data-intensive operation. The ZR will feature dual memory card slots, a non-negotiable feature for professionals. We're talking about CF Express Type B for the main video recording paired with a high-speed UHS-2 SD slot for redundancy, overflow, or high-resolution stills. The massive write speeds of CF Express B cards are the only way to reliably capture those huge RAW files without the buffer filling up. This means no more arbitrary recording limits. You can roll on a long take. You can roll on an entire scene and the camera will not choke. It's built to record until the card is full or the battery dies. Reliability and security are built right into the body. The combination of next-level, mind-reading autofocus, rock-solid in-body stabilization, and a professional-grade, reliable storage system is what elevates the ZR6K from a mere camera to a complete cinema ecosystem. It's not about capturing an image. It's about capturing the moment flawlessly. Final thoughts. The camera for the next decade. The Nikon ZR6K represents a truly pivotal moment. It's a moment of democratization where a legend returns to its core strength, but with a profoundly futuristic vision. This camera is not an iterative upgrade. It is an active revolution. It delivers a cinema-grade image, a high-speed, robust workflow, and a feature set that has no peer at this level. If you were waiting for the sign to finally step up your game, to stop merely producing content and start making cinema, this is it. The camera is here. The revolution has begun. Now, the only question is, are you going to be a spectator or a pioneer? This is the end of the old camera wars. The Nikon ZR6K just dropped a bomb. Your move. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.